Oke, sudah ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Nama
wabarakatuh.
saya
Selamat
Muhammad
siang.
Nur Ibrahim. Saya akan menjelaskan tentang communicative translation. Newmark expressed his view on translation function as a means of communication through the statement as follows. Translation is basically a means of communication or a manner of aiding one or more persons in the speaker presence. Sementara itu, Sumarno menjelaskan tentang translasi komunikatif itu adalah bentuk dari translasi that is always strive for has an effect on the readers of a translation, such as an effect felt by the original readers when they read the original text. Does the translator act as a communicator at once, a mediator between the author of the original text and the reader of the translation must convey the message into translate which are the same as possible message in the source language. Jadi kelebihan dari tipe translasi ini adalah is it main function as a tool to convey or express other people's ideas or feelings. This type also pays attention of the importance of all elements in the translation process, namely elements such as source language and target language, culture, original text writer, translator, the effectiveness of the translation language and translation readers. The following is an example of communicative translation. Source language-nya awas anjing galak. Terus kalau ditranslasikan jadi beware of the dog. Bukan beware of the vicious dog. Yang kedua, dilarang berjalan di atas rumput. Ditranslasikan menjadi keep off the grass. Bukan don't walk on the grass. Terus ada juga kekurangannya. The downside of this type of translation is that the requirements are strictly so that the translation language has a form, meaning, and function. This needs attention because there is a possibility sentence is syntactically correct, but the meaning is not logical, or the form and meaning are correct, but the use is not correct. Like seperti contoh di bawah. I told you that you were wrong. Syntactically, this sentence is wrong, even if the meaning is logical. I told the star that you were wrong. Synthetically, the sentence is correct, but the meaning is not logical. Oke. Word example-nya, watch out, jadi awas. Bookworm, jadi kutu buku. The word that was shown above, we can see that the translator used communicative translation language technique. But there is some grammatical difference on the source language and translated language. Because communicative translation emphasizes on the message instead translating to similar word. Phrase example. Ini yang saya sudah jelaskan tadi di atas. If we take from the translated text, most of the words that are translated conforming to particular register or of language, but longer. Sentence example. He who has not the power is the inquisitor. Ditranslasikan menjadi dia yang tidak memiliki kekuatan adalah jaksa pengadilan. In this case, this communicative translation version has posed problem for an English language reader. Not only because the term almoner and perquisitor themselves are rare, but also because they don't faithfully reflect the implication of the source text. The painting is not dry yet. Catnya belum kering. From the example above, it can be found that the painting is also lukisan in Indonesia. But instead, using lukisan in this sentence, we using cat for replacement because the condition for the sentence, the communication translation is more suitable in this kind of circumstance. Complex sentence example. Source language-nya, as she was bright and ambitious, he became a director in no time. Target language-nya, karena dia cerdas dan ambisius, dia menjadi direktur dalam waktu singkat. If we saw from the translated text, the sentence above is supposed translate to dia sangat terang dan ambisius. Dia menjadi direktur dalam tanpa waktu. But using communication translation technique, then dia menjadi karena dia cerdas dan ambisius, dia menjadi direktur dalam waktu singkat. Source language-nya, because I had to catch the bus, and as we were short on time, I forgot to pack my bracelet for our vacation. Target language-nya, karena saya harus naik bis, dan karena waktu kami terbatas, saya lupa membawa sikat gigi untuk liburan kami. Sentence above shown that the communicative translation by correct and improve the logic and style by the original. For example, catch the train was supposed to be menangkap kereta. But it turned out naik bis and short on time is supposed to be pendek dalam waktu, but it turned out waktu terbatas. Oke, jadi kesimpulannya, communicative translation tries to create effect that experienced by reader or target language same within the source language. Therefore, it should there is no part of translation that difficult to be understood and felt stiff. In this translation, the translator can correct or repair logic of source language sentence, replace stiff word and structure with flexible and elegant one, omit unclear sentence, omit repetition, and modify jargon usage. Saran, this technique was always concentrated on readers, normally makes the text smoother, lighter, or idiomatic and easier to read. But the equivalent effect element is inoperant if that the text is out of target language, space, and time. Oke, sekian dari saya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih, Ibra. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.